bubble clan datang, jangan skip, jangan lepas.
Okay guys, we're gonna do bubble cycle. So for today we're gonna play at Woodlands area. So we're gonna exercise, we're gonna take my lovely bicycle for a ride. So let's go. Okay guys, where should we go? I have no idea. We're gonna go circle around and find the MCN road, and then we're gonna see where we will end up at.
Sejuta cerita kita ceritakan, jangan pendam dalam, jangan anti sosial. Luahkan semua ke seluruh dunia, yang penting happy buat semua. The Bubble Clan, the Bubble Clan, the Bubble Clan, the Bubble Clan, podcast.
Okay guys, uphill. Come on, let's go. Anjir. It's nice, man. Look at that view.
Jangan pendam dalam, jangan anti sosial. Luahkan semua ke seluruh dunia, yang penting happy buat semua. The Bubble Clan, the Bubble Clan, the Bubble Clan, the Bubble Clan podcast.
We have the most Yusofi shop over here, new BTOs, and the new Woodlands Health Hospital. Ada ayam. Krokok. Christchurch Secondary. Okay, stopping here. It's tough. It's nice, it's tough. It's been a long time since I last cycled, so this is a good activity for me. So again, clan, if you guys like what you guys are seeing, do follow us on telly and join if you wanna go cycle with us together. Alright, clan. So let's go. Okay, green light, let's go.
Sejuta cerita kita ceritakan, jangan pendam dalam, jangan nanti sosial. Luahkan
MCN lah guys. You see, Woodlands also have MCN. I never know. Very long never cycle, right? Woodlands also have. Okay lah. Not bad lah. Exercise lah.
The Bubble Clan. The Bubble Clan podcast. The Bubble Clan. The Bubble Clan. The Bubble Clan. The Bubble Clan.
This is the Singapore Sports School. Yes, this is the Singapore Sports School, guys. Let's go, let's go.
Sejuta cerita kita ceritakan, jangan pendam dalam, jangan nanti sosial.
Okay, this is the Singapore Sports School.
Dunia, yang penting happy buat semua.
The Bubble Clan. 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 The Bubble Clan.
So I'm using my old Skegya Mini Velo. If you guys are wondering what bike I'm on, it's about 9 kg. It's very light, but I'm about 78 kg. Now everywhere BTO, not bad, Singapore, everywhere BTO, guys. Oh, let's see. Got soccer match. You see the family are sitting down there. Okay. Okay, not bad, Singapore Sports School. They have games, Okay, you guys can watch for free, When you go stadium, go watch S League, Can watch here, Downhill, guys, downhill. Let's have fun. How my bicycle noisy or not, guys? Is it noisy? If you guys think the sound is irritating, you guys want to sponsor me a Brompton, please go ahead. I'll be very much grateful. Okay, clan, thank you. Oh, there's a park. Let's go to the park. Let's chill at the park for a while. Or maybe no. Let's go to another park. Let's find another park. If you guys are wondering, this is Barber Cycle. I'm just having fun cycling and doing a documentation. If you guys like what you guys are seeing, do comment down below and follow us on all our socials and join us on our telly, guys. Let's find a pub to sit down, guys. Let's go find a pub.
Just cross the road.
Yes, this is the pub. I think it's Vista Park or something. Yes, it's Vista Park. Let's go. Let's take a break. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, got racing, huh? Go, go. Ayo. Not bad, this pub. Not bad. Let's go one more round. Let's go one more round. Not bad at all, the pub. You can go for a run. You can go for a walk. That's not bad, You see families having fun. This is Singapore, guys, All kind of races, going down to one park together, playing soccer lah, playing bicycle lah, taking a walk lah. Now it's a pickleball fever, you see? People are playing pickleball over here. Yeah guys, not bad lah for our first episode. I'm just chilling out, taking a stroll at Woodlands neighbourhood. So if you guys like what you guys are seeing, do follow us on all our socials and do follow us on our Telegram if you guys like this bubble cycle that we are doing right now. So you can always follow us on all our TikTok, Facebook, YouTube and Instagram.
The Bubble Clan Podcast paling padu paling panas. Paling padu paling panas. Bubble Clan datang, jangan skip, jangan lepas. The Bubble Clan Podcast paling padu paling panas. Paling padu paling panas.